Yes, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, very good. Yes, I am also fine, thank you. Welcome back to online classes again. So, we are dealing with the probability. Last classes we have done on 6 to 7 problems based upon coins and some numbers. Today we are going to deal some of the problems based on the everything, whatever basics I have. Here there are 2400 families surveyed. In that, this is nothing but monthly income for them. Less than 7,000, 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13,000, 13 to 16,000 and 16,000 and more. So the vehicles for family is like this. If monthly, that is vehicles, 0 vehicle, 1 vehicle, 2 vehicles, up to 2 vehicles. Okay na? Now this is the, he has given like this. Now first one you see 10,000 to 13,000. 10,000 to 13,000. How many vehicles? 2 vehicles. 2 vehicles, how many are there? Only 29. That's all. Therefore, what is the answer? 29 divided by 2,400. Understood? Next, 16,000 and more. 16,000 and more means like this. How many vehicles? Only one vehicle. One vehicle means, yes. First one here 10,000 to 3,000. That is first question. And here second question. So how much it is? Yes. 579 divided by 2,400. You can divide with 3. 3 2 is 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, divided by 3 8 like this. Okay na? Okay. Next one. Less than 7,000. No vehicles. No vehicle means how many are there? Only 10. Therefore, it is nothing but 10 divided by 2,400. It is nothing but 1 by 240. Next, 13,000 to 16,000. 13,000 to 16,000. How many vehicles? 2 vehicles. 2 vehicles means how many are there? Yes, 59. So it is nothing but 59 divided by 2,400. Yes. Not more than one vehicle. He has not mentioned any amount means, so it will be applicable for everyone. Therefore, how many numbers are there you see? First one you see 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 4, 11 plus 3, 14 numbers here. Then what about this you see here? 5 plus 5 10, 19, 18. 8 plus 6 14, 17, 17 plus 6 20, 17 plus 6 23, 2, 7, 7 plus 4 11, 16, 19, 1 20. Yes, how much it is? 20, 30, 20, 48, 30, 38. Yes, it is 9 plus 1. Yes, it is nothing but 20, 48. Now total will be 20, 48 plus 14. How much it is? 2, 6. Yes. It is nothing but equal to 2062 divided by 2,400. 2 ones 0, 3 1 divided by 2 ones 2 like this. Therefore 1031 by 1200. Okay na? Yes, welcome again. Come to second problem. These are the marks the teacher has taken mathematics test, and total number of students 90 students have taken participated for written examination. 0 to 20 marks, 7 numbers, 7 students what? 20 to 30, 10 members, 30 to 40, 10 members, 40 to 50, 20 members, 50 to 60, 20 members, 60 to 70, 15, and 70 and above is 8 members. So total the students have taken the marks like this. The first question is, who got 20% marks? Who got only 20%? 20% means what? 20% in this you see marks. So 0 to 20, 20 to 30%. That means what? The first one. Yes, number of favorable outcomes is only 0 to 20 is how much? Only 7 numbers. Therefore, 7 divided by 90. That's all. Next, you can write down like this: favorable outcomes. Outcomes. How much? 7. So like this also you can write. Okay, na? Right. Now, in this favorable outcomes, you see how many outcomes are there? 60 and above. 60 above means 15, like this. 60 to 70 and 70 above. Therefore, 15 plus 8, 23 members. 15 plus 8, that is 23 members. Therefore, probability of 60 and above is equals to 23 divided by 4, like this. Okay, na? This much only answer. Please take down. Yes, one more question, small question. There are 200 students surveyed about statistics. How many people surveyed? 200 members. Like 135 students and dislike 65 students. The first question is probability of like statistics. So like how many are there? 135 out of 200, 5 4 ja 0, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja. Therefore, what is the answer? 27 by 40. Second question, probability of not like statistics. Is equals to, very simple, 65 divided by 200, 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 4 ja, 0. What is the answer? 13 by 40. First one is 27 by 40 and second one is 13 by 40. Please take down. Okay. Here, there are 40 employees are there. This is all numbers are in kilometer, that is distance. From their house to working place. Here, total 40 members are there. There is a distances 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 20 like that. Okay, na? Now, first one is less than 7 kilometers. How many members are there? Less than 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, na? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, how many employees are there whose distance is less than 7 kilometers? 9 divided by 40. That's all. Next, more than or equal to 7. Now very very simple. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. That is actually 40 members are there total. In that already less than 7 kilometers are how many members are there? Minus 9. So answer, what is the answer? 31. Okay na? Very simple. Therefore 31 by 40. Now within half kilometer from their place, any person is there like that? Within half kilometer, minimum is we have seen 2 kilometers. Half means what is the answer? Nobody. Therefore what is the answer? 0 divided by 40 over. Okay na? Yes. So it is nothing but less than 7 kilometers. How many members? 9 members out of 40. More than or equal to 7 kilometers, remaining, that is 31 by 40. And within half kilometer from their place, nobody is there. Nobody is there means what? 0 by 40. The answer is what? 0 only. Okay na? So like this we have to find out. Please write down. Yes, there are 30 students, the surveyed. Their blood group is like this: A, B, AB and O. A 9 students, B 6 students, AB 3 students and O 12 students. Now very simple, we should find out like this. Probability of A group. Probability of A group. Very easy. A group, how many numbers are there? 9 numbers. 9 divided by 30. 3 3 ja, 3 10 ja. That's all. 3 by 10. Second one, P of B group. How many are there? P of B group? 6 members. 6 divided by 30. Yes, 3 2 ja, 3 10 ja. Therefore 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Therefore what is the answer? 1 by 5. Next, P of AB. P of AB. How many favorable outcomes are there? AB, only 3 are there. Therefore 3 by 30. Therefore 1 by 10. Now P of O positive. O. P of O. Probability of O group. How many students are there? Favorably is small. Divided by total outcomes. Yes, 30 over 6 2 ja, 6 5 ja. 2 divided by 5 like this. Okay na? So very simple answers. Probability is very nice. Questions are like this. Yes, in the school there are 15. In a box there are 50 balls are there. The colors are red color, green color, blue color and yellow color. Okay na? So we should find out probability of red balls. What is the favorable outcome? Yes, red balls how many are there? Only 12 are there. 12. Divided by total how many are there? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 2 3 4 5. Yes, total 50. Therefore 2 6 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 5. What is the answer? 6 divided by 25. First question. Second question, probability of blue balls. Blue balls. How many blue balls are there? 13. 13 divided by 50. Is it possible to simplify? No. Next one. probability of other than green. Other than green means what? Total how many are there? 10 green. So out of 50, 10 more means remaining how much? 44. Therefore 40 divided by 50, it is nothing but 4 by 5. Next, fourth question. Probability of other than blue. Other than blue means what? In that 13 only not there. Remaining all are? Yes, that means what? 37. It is nothing but equal to 37 by 50. Okay now? So you have to find out like this. Very easy questions, right? Yes, there are chords are there from numbers 1 to 25. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, first question. Probability of a prime number. Probability of a prime number. See how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. 9 divided by 25. Very simple. Next, probability of composite number. How many composite numbers? Prime numbers are how many? 7 are 9 are there. That means what? 25 minus 9. It is nothing but 16. But one more number is also is not there. It is not a composite. Therefore 1 minus 1. It is nothing but how much? Yes. 15 by 25 or 5 3 ja 5 5 ja. What is the answer? 3 by 5. Okay na? Like this you should find out. Third question. Probability of a number which is a multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 means how many are there? 1, 2 and 3. That's all. Therefore, answer is what? 3 divided by 25. Next, probability of an even number. Probability of an even number. Even number you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 divided by 25. Okay na? So like these questions will be asked in the examination. Please take. Yes, there are 80 bulbs are there whose lifetime in hours, and how many number of bulbs are there? 300 hours 10 bulbs are there, 500 hours 12 hours 12 bulbs are there, 700 hours 23 bulbs are there, 925 and 1100. So question will be like this: find the probability of a bulb whose lifetime is 700 hours. Very simple. 700 below what is probability of 300 hours. So it is nothing but 300 hours. How many are there? 10. 10 divided by 80, 0 cancel, 1 by 8. Okay na? Third question. Probability of 1100 hours. 1100 hours, how many are there? It is also 10. Divided by 80, 0 cancel, 1 by 8. Fourth question. Probability of a bulb whose life is 1200 hours. Yes, anyone please? 1200 hours. Anyone please? Here 1200 hours is there? Not there. Therefore, no bulb means what is the meaning? 0 by 80. Therefore, what is the answer? Yes, 0. Okay na? Please take note. Yes, here one more simple question. These are the examination subjects: first subject, second subject, third subject, fourth subject, 5. So total how many subjects are there? 5 subjects. Here the percentage marks: first subject 58%, second subject 64, third subject 76, fourth subject 62, and fifth subject. The answer first one is probability of first class. Do you know what is the meaning when a person, a student will get first class? Yes, it will be 60% and above. 60% means how many fellows are there? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Out of 5, how many? 4 by 5. That much only answer. Okay na? Next to distinction. Distinction means, do you know distinction? Yes. Distinction will be, it will be above 75%. Above 75%, anybody there here? No, yes, no, yes. Therefore, how many classes are there? Only 2 are there. Therefore, 2 divided by 5. Marks between 70% to 80%. 70%. 70% means above 70, 76. Below 80, anybody is there? No. Therefore, how many people? How many classes? Only 1 out of 5. Okay na? Very simple questions and very simple answers. This is 3 marks question. That means what? For each question, you will get 1 mark. In the examination, you should write probability of first class. Number of favorable outcomes 4. Total number of outcomes 5. 5 classes are there. Answer is what? 4 by 5. That's all. Only one sentence if you write. Right? So these are the questions. Still I will show. Yes, one more example. A dice is there. It rolled 25 times. The outcomes are like this: 1 9 times came, 2 4 times, 3 5 times, 4 6 times, 5 1 time, and 6 no times. Right? Okay. First question: probability of an even number. Even number, how many are there? Even number means, you see, 2 are there, 2 and 4 and 6. 2 means how much? 4. Okay. Plus 4, how many times came? 6 times. Plus 0 over 10 out of 25. 5 2 ja 5 5. What is the answer? 2 by 5. Next, prime number. How many prime numbers are there? You see, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. 2 how many times is there? Outcome 4. Plus 3 how many times? 5. Plus 5 how many times? 1. 4 plus 5 9 plus 1 10. 10 out of 25. This is also 5 to the 5 5. 2 by 5. Next, A multiple of 3. A multiple of 3 means how many are there? Only 3 and 6. 3 how many times? 5 times. Plus 0. That's all. Therefore, 5 divided by 25. 5 ones 5 5. Therefore, 1 by 5 like this. Okay na? So like this answers you should write. Yes, one more example. There are numbers from 11 to 25 are there. So we should find out their probability of a prime numbers. How many prime numbers are there you see? 11 is a number, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, what is the answer? 5 divided by total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. Therefore, what is the answer? 1 by 3. Now, a number which is divisible by 4. 4 means, yes, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24. Therefore, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, 4 divided by 15. That's all. You can find out any probability. One more. Probability of a number which is a multiple of 7. Now 7 you see? 7, this is 1, 7 2 ja, 7 3 ja, 21. That's all. Therefore, what is the answer? 2 divided by 25. Like this. Did you understand? Yes? Yes, one more problem. There are total 200 workers. Their age have calculated like this. Between 20 to 29, 38 workers, 30 to 39, 27 workers, 40 to 49, 86 workers, 50 to 59, 46 workers, and 60 and above, 3 workers. Now we will find out one by one. Probability of 40 years and above. 40 years and above means what? Only these only will come. Correct or not? 40 years and above. Yes, 40 years and above. 40 years means what? Yes. 40 years and above. 1. Here also 40 years and above. Here also 40. Therefore, you just add them. 86 plus 46 plus 3. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 15. 5 plus 8, 135. Out of 200. 200 means 5 4 ja 0, 5 2 ja 5 7 ja. What is the answer? 27 by 40. Next. Under 40 years. Under means what? Below 40 years. Below 40 years means this is 40 and above. Below how many are there? 38 plus 27. 38 plus 27 is nothing but 65 out of 200. 5 4 ja 0, 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. Therefore, what is the answer? 13 by 40. Next. Having age from 30 to 39. How many are there? Only 27. 27 by 200. Next. Under 60 but not over 30. But over 49. Over 40, over 39 means like this. So here under 60. Therefore only 86 plus 46. So 12 132 divided by 200. Okay na? 200, sorry. 4 5 ja 0, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 12. Therefore 33 by 50. Okay na? Yes. So many problems I have done from the NCERT examples. There are 3 activities are there in your textbook. The first one is very simple. Go somewhere to any Y circle or what is this circle? Any other circle. Okay. Otherwise, in the Jamkhandi circle, stay for 1 hour. Then you count how many two-wheelers you passed in front of you, how many four-wheelers passed, how many six-wheelers passed, how many eight-wheelers passed. So like that, if you make a chart for 1 hour, then you can go for what is the probability of two-wheelers, four-wheelers, six-wheelers and eight-wheelers. And one more question, heights. In your family, 20 members are there, for example, in your family or in your class. Okay, like that you can make one list. That is only activity. Okay, activity means what? The work you are only collecting. That is data. Data you are only collecting. That is primary data. If you are collecting the data, it is nothing but primary data. Okay, so some 2 to 3 activities are there. You please do them. Okay, I have not done anything. Just I am giving guidance to you so that you will be perfect and you will be alright. So end of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed this session.